A bigger challenge for thermocouples is if you need to make a temperature measurement in a remote location. If you need to extend the wiring of the thermocouple, you must use something called a thermocouple extension wire in order to reduce the amount of error. Trying to splice standard copper signal wiring, or even using standard terminal blocks to extend the thermocouple signal, can end up creating additional cold junctions in the circuit and introduce more signal error. Thermocouple extension wires are sold by type, just like thermocouples. A thermocouple extension wire is constructed of the same types of metal as the thermocouple. So when you need to extend a circuit, a thermocouple extension wire of the same type as the thermocouple must be used. Similarly, if you need to use terminal blocks to connect the wiring, the terminal blocks must be constructed of the same types of metal as the individual wires. If you have a Type K thermocouple, you need to use Type K extension wire and special terminal blocks made of chromel and alumel. Trying to extend a thermocouple using standard copper wire will introduce errors into the measurement because the electron movements will be disrupted by the different metals. Additionally, it is not recommended to run thermocouple extension wire over a long distance due to the sensitivity of the signal to electrical noise. If you are trying to go more than 50 to 100 feet, you need to consider using a temperature transmitter that converts the millivolt signal over to another signal type, such as 4 to 20 milliamp. If you have multiple temperature measurements to make in a remote location, a remote I/O rack from your PLC might end up being a good option.